Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix something went wrong problem with Snapchat login. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to solve this issue, you can do some couple of things, but before going into the solutions, first know about the problem what's causing it. If your Snapchat login problem is because of the password, you will get the option to reset your password from here. In order to do that, just simply click into this forget your password option and you can send a code via phone number or email address. And if it's not because of the password, there might be some other reasons for the problem, and it might be the internet connection or the outdated app versions. First of all, check your internet connection if it's working properly or not. And if your internet connection is working properly, you just simply have to open up the Play Store application into your phone, and after that go to the search bar and search for Snapchat application. And if you see this update button there, just simply click to update button and update your Snapchat application to the latest version. And after that, try to log into your account into Snapchat. Your problem will probably be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.